When the storms get louder, God's voice gets stronger. Listen, because the voice of the Lord is about to shift your whole atmosphere. Beloved, Psalm 29 is a powerful reminder that no matter how loud life gets, God's voice is louder. David begins by calling us to give unto the Lord glory and strength. Why? Because whenever you praise God, you align yourself with His power, His authority, and His dominion. The psalm describes the voice of the Lord in ways that shake the earth. It says the voice of the Lord is powerful, the voice of the Lord is full of majesty. That means when God speaks over your life, no situation can argue back. When God declares peace, no storm can overturn it. When God says you will rise, no valley can keep you down. Some of you are in a season where everything around you looks unstable. The winds of discouragement, the storms of financial pressure, the waves of emotional battles, they seem stronger than ever. But hear this today. The Lord sits enthroned over the flood. That means God is not threatened by what threatens you. He is not moved by what shakes you. He reigns over it. The psalm says His voice breaks the cedars. Cedars represent strong, stubborn obstacles, things that look impossible. But when God releases His word, every stubborn barrier must bow. That sickness must bow. That confusion must bow. That fear must bow. That delay must bow. And then David ends with a promise. The Lord will bless His people with peace. Not a temporary peace, not a fragile peace, but supernatural peace that guards your mind, your spirit, and your destiny. So I declare over you, where there was noise, there will be peace. Where there was fear, there will be strength. Where there was shaking, there will be stability. Where there was confusion, there will be clarity. Where there were storms, there will be divine settlement. Hold on, because the voice of the Lord is speaking into your life right now. His voice is rewriting your story. His voice is calming every storm. His voice is opening new doors. His voice is bringing you victory. You are not powerless. You are backed by the voice of the Almighty. If you believe God's voice is louder than your storm, type, "The voice of the Lord is my power."